this game. Carlos is gonna invite me, so I might as well just explore for now. I'm gonna just explore, and I'm gonna wait for an invite. Hey, hey, hey! Don't stick your tongue out at me. Oh, that's booty juice craze. I don't care. I'm doing Watch Dogs too. That's too much sauce.
I'm
too much sauce.
Mario, we're gonna try to do some crime hunts and all that crap, alright?
Yeah.
Some bounty hunters. I know, it's not like GTA, you earn followers.
I know. While in that hat, research points and key data emit a blue signal that makes the easier to find, even though I can't freaking read. CTOS, San Francisco.
That's a development for security.
That's me, y'all. Your mission should. Alright, look around. L3 to sprint. R2 to jump over gaps. Yeah.
Whatever they have on there, it's all bullshit.
When you unlock, when the install is complete, multiplayer app unlock.
Getting wrapped.
All the more reason for courage. We'll be watching.
I killed him, let's go!
By the way, we put this playlist together to set the mood. Hope you like it.
Dude, I haven't played this game in such a long time.
Sneaking, sneaking.
Why did I ever forget this game?
I just murdered him with a yo-yo. I'm asleep.
Are you here?
Yeah.
No.
No. It said I got.
Here.
Yeah, it says. I know. It said I gotta do this first.
Oh god.
Camera. Is there any way I can like distract them?
Mark, are you live streaming or what are you doing?
I'm recording.
Oh, Mark, I put some Battlefield gameplay on my channel.
Alright, I want y'all to go check that out.
Oh, this guy's freaking... I was playing the story though. I haven't uploaded multiplayer yet. I'm level 11, I think.
Oh shoot. Oh yes. Perfect. Bow! The E! He just smacked them. He just full on murdered him.
Marius, if you wanna kick that guy who just joined, man.
Yeah, stay down. Yo-yo powers. The son I want it here. Triangle, let's go. I got a tablet. It's $4,000.
Oh my god, no. Oh, they're freaking trying to kill me.
Find the closed circuit.
What? I ran out of ammo? Now I climb over. How do I climb over? Oh my god, I forgot how to climb over.
R2.
Huh?
R2. Hey!
That get caught.
I'm gonna put that in slow motion. That was too sick. He said, hold on. Huh! And just landed. I was like, oh.
Oh crap, this guy shot it. Go! Oh my god, this guy's after me, this guy's after me.
So that's him.
No.
He's got a gun.
This guy's trying to get me. Go! Oh my god. Go.
Time him.
There's an online player trying to get me, Marty.
Registered gun owner.
He's in.
Already?
I escaped him.
My character a thug. He did a backflip off a roof and landed it.
Dude, there's 3 people trying to go after me. Oh, there's two now.
Oh, that thick behind yo-yo.
He quit.
The home domain awareness hacker? That retro? Yes. We told you that already. Yeah, I never listened.
Oh my, Marius, are you in here or are you doing the first mission you have to do?
Yeah, I had to do it. Hack open the first door. The joint upstairs. Oh yes, I can hack it from here.
Oh my god. This guy. This guy really wants to kill me, the online player.
What's the deal?
I need to call my Ferrari. Come on. It died.
He's been hanging around the
How did he kill me?
and he's got crack. Figured we'd give him a test.
Really, I hate it when people freaking
Nobody's been able to
do something like
POS profile.
they freaking leave
Unless
right
he
away.
is smart, stubborn, or both.
Get him! Ooh! Oh! Oh!
Man, I blame this all on y'all.
I gotta go up there.
Ooh, this old lady wants to fight.
Alright, he's a club member.
Y'all ain't gonna fight. Oh, hey, let's all fight. Come on. Oh, I'm beating everybody up in the beach.
Bow! Sit down. Just go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Oh, I keep that guy right in the freaking bars.
Ooh, I'm about to knock this dude out.
Yo, I actually really married everybody at the beach.
Alright, he sleep.
So this might not even be a beach.
Go to sleep. 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 Just go to sleep.
CTOS tagged him as a prime suspect in the murder. So,
He's done.
community
Are you
service.
seeing Marius?
Ho!
Just the
Ho!
word CTOS.
Sit down. Ho! Sit down.
Once consistent, always consistent.
Yes, I'm ready to go. Marius, you should look at my guy. He looks pretty lit.
He went for it.
You won't have much time before the backups kick in.
Well, not lit, but fired.
Alright.
I think basically the same thing.
Hey, buddy. Sit down. Hey, I keep climbing.
Yeah, I'm in the Bay Area.
Alright, there's nobody up here. I took all of them out. Let's go. Climbing. No,
We didn't place the stars like this one.
yes I did.
It's at least 120 degrees in there.
I think it was 30.
Cause I'm gonna edit it in.
Oh, really? You can't just say it.
Pops,
right now.
it's going to mile.
Merry Christmas, even though it's in the beginning of the video.
Oh. If that's what you meant, then why didn't you say it so late?
I said I was gonna edit it in. I know how to edit. I make my videos masterpieced a little bit. I still need to learn how to shake the screen and everything.
What is he saying?
Man, why you didn't do a front flip? That was too tough what he did.
This is like the secret tower.
Ooh. Voted.
I'm gonna tell the to the hackers.
Uh.
Who could have invited me or texted me?
Nobody.
Why are you getting all those notifications?
I don't know. Oh, I see how this works.
Wonderful system.
Alright.
What the fuck? Why's my threat so high? This is bullshit. Fuck. Or I could just... Just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later. Sorry, Bloom. We got unfinished business.
He's heading out. Bagging.
Yeah.
Here they go. How did this
Oh, shoot, I erased my criminal record.
Yeah, but then you get your profile because he wants to keep off low, off the chart. That's why he did it. It's gonna go back up.
I could just fight everybody. Oh shoot, that was tough. Yo, why my character not on fruit? I said fruit ninja. So why my character not on amaze? Whatever that show was. Oh crap. Rest in peace. Huh! American Ninja, something like that. Huh! Lay down. Ninja kick. Let's go. Huh! Bow. Sit down. Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Oh shoot. Come on. Shut the thing back.
Hold it right there. Where the fuck am I going?
Oh, he's a thug. He's a thug. He is a thug. He said, where the heck I'm gonna go? He said, screw you. I'm also putting that in slow motion.
With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is
So right now I'm
treating.
fast forwarding all of this.
Ministries are skewed to bias
Oh
and
yeah.
influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale.
Marius?
You are now
Now in
less
the video,
valuable than the
I
data
will
you produce.
make this part
This
that's taking
is the
forever
new
fast
reality.
forward.
Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense?
So, am I in?
Welcome to DedSec. I'm Satara. This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Yo, your hot sauce? Yeah, man, I love your frat house hat. Real talk. Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
The needs of an enemy.
And this Casanova is Heroic.
That's my homie.
What's up, brother? Me? It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough
Honest
to come
research
get
came
me.
right here. I'm gonna take that.
TOS isn't just regulating
Right
infrastructure.
above, right?
The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little Brother all rolled up into one. Huh?
Sees everything we do and tells on me.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers on fire. No, sledgehammers on fire.
All that data in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have.
No, because I still can't skip it.
Oh, so your insurance.
Click on what?
That's not even a
Skip
worst
it.
case scenario. All that data then goes to the government.
No, you can't.
They'll arrest you for shit before you even do it.
Why is it in the cutscene?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck it. Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We out think, we out there. I say we tear down the fucking wall. Hey, show everyone what Bloom's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck.
We'll hack an invasion. Alright. Now I'm gonna do that instead of
Ah! He's like, what?
We installed it back there, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Hey, man. You got the time?
Yeah, man.
I got it.
Oh, late for a night run, isn't it? Where you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
my car about to blow up.
Have a good party.
Fucking room.
Well, I'll skip to the part where I can be on wire. I'm hiding from Carlos right now. So when he gets back, he won't know where I'm at. So I'm gonna hide up here, so... Oh, wait. How you crouch? No, I'll just hide. I just sit right here. And hopefully... Nah, he gonna come back and look up. Alright. Right over here. Let's go. Probably won't follow me. Backflip. Kill him. Alright. I'll backflip till he gets back. There's my dog. Stop petting my dog. Stop petting my dog.
I'm not petting it.
You is. Yeah.
Why you had it behind that cross? That was.
You douchebag. I saw the truck move back. I was like, what the fuck? Oh, no. You're on. Ah!
Wait.
Come back. Hey,
I'm gonna get my Ferrari.
You didn't see anything. Well, we failed. Well, we freaking failed. No!
You'll never catch up to me.
So I will. Come here.
Stay away from me.
No.
Stay away from me.
What the freak was that? Oh, shoot.
It's that rocket launcher I have. This is my car right here. No!
Alright, I might as well climb back over and get in.
You wanna drive it? You can drive it.
No, because I'm a bad driver.
This is like, I think it's $200,000.
Where we going?
Hey Marty, did you hit the circle if you didn't know?
Nope, I didn't. Whoa. These cops are so dumb.
Marty.
Yeah,
Go to a place where there's a bunch of cars.
right here.
Alright.
Ooh, had to turn.
Alright, I'll go more quicker.
I stole his money.
I'm coming. trying to lead us to this thing right here.
Yep. Alright, now.
Could've just done this. Watch.
Okay, come in, buddy. Come on.
Could've done this.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's what I was trying to move, ho. Oh, shoot.
Alright, I'm gonna get that helicopter off our tail as she gets closer.
I am driving a Lamborghini. I am driving a Lamborghini. Oh, shoot. I am driving a Lamborghini. I'm driving a Lamborghini.
Whoa! Did you hit a car?
No. What happened?
Like bounced up.
Hey, buddy. You ain't catching us alive, faggots. Ooh.
Why is it so hard? Is it me or is this place kind of reminding me of GTA?
Yeah. Well, we just escaped. Oh crap. Busting us left. Extreme parking. Bam!
You just have to pass on it. I'll be right back. Or no. I got
Oh shoot! See you guys later. I'm gonna upload this video, and I want to see y'all later. Before we go, Hold on. No. Get out! Hey!